În urma proiectului Erasmus, ce competențe am dobândit?
Am dobândit foarte multe cunoștințe lingvistice, am învățat alături de domnul profesor cum să montăm circuite și să realizăm cât mai multe, cunoștințe pe care eu cred că o să le dobândim de-a lungul timpului și care o să ne fie foarte de folos. Foarte blând, dumnealui ne-a învățat foarte multe lucruri. Alături de colegii mei am realizat cât mai multe circuite.
And you?
În echipă.
Are you okay? Equipe.
Yes. Yes.
Okay with me in the help from our guidance the lab is very important. Okay? Thank you.
We wish you all the best in your future, in your personal and also in your professional future. And maybe we can see you again in Portugal and sing.
Thank you, we too, for all what you are doing there. The teacher, thank you very much. You are the best. The students told us every day what they are learning in school, and they were very happy. I learned a lot. I like very much. Yes, every day. And thank you for our tune. It's everything is good here. The laboratories, and we want to come with another group, another class every year. Thank for all, and we hope that we do something with what they learn here in their life, integrate on the working.
Thank you, Liceul Tehnologic Busuchin. Thank you, Erasmus.
Good morning.
Hello, my name is Liviu. I'm a student from Liceu Tehnologic Pestisani, and I'm here learning with my friends how to do internet activities. We, all of us, learning.
Very good. Are you enjoying this experience here in Lisbon?
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
Goodbye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Nobody can beat the Mama Africa. You follow the beat that she's gonna give ya a little smile.